Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 42. Which union ministry launched the Soul of Steel challenge? Options: Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Education. Before looking into the answer, let's see what is the Soul of Steel challenge. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, along with several other ministers and army veterans, signed an MOU with Claw Global and launched the Soul of Steel Challenge in Dehradun on the occasion of Armed Forces Veterans Day. The idea behind the Soul of Steel challenge is pulling off skill sets and creating a challenge that will unlock the human ability to survive, stabilize, and thrive in high altitude areas. The challenge will also provide life skill training, youth development, and global promotion of adventure tourism in Uttarakhand, in addition to showcasing the skills of veterans. So the right answer for this question is option A, Ministry of Defense. Ministry of Defense launched the Soul of Steel challenge. And here is another question for you. Which Indian state became the first fully digital banking state in the country? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.